Hello and welcome to our new lesson, ArcSight Enterprise Security Management, in our second chapter, Microfocus Security, ArcSight ESM 101. As we said before, this chapter relies on the ESM 101 document that we have downloaded from the Microfocus community. This chapter is rich and contains many sections, so through many lessons we will try to cover this chapter in this sequence. So we will start with the ESM enables situational awareness, how this is happening. Next, ESM anatomy, the different solutions we have in the ArcSight and how they interact together. Smart connectors, ArcSight manager and core engine, the embedded database of the ArcSight Manager. So it's sometimes called ArcSight ESM, ArcSight Manager. We will use this interchangeably throughout the course. The user interfaces and the concept of use cases inside the ArcSight ESM, the add-ons, interactive discovery and pattern discovery, the ESM on an appliance, the logger, the ArcSight solutions, and lastly the about resources section. So let's switch to the ESM 101 document. So actually these are the different sections that we listed in the slides. This is the first section, ESM enables situational awareness. So here it's giving a good example about surveillance camera detect a person testing a locked door. This is one log event received by ArcSight ESM, and another log event source, which is a card reader who registered someone who only works 1 day a week. So you have two pieces of information into ArcSight ESM, and inside a SOC, a real cyber SOC team who is responsible to monitor everything in an organization. These two pieces of information is very important and give them situational awareness about what's going on inside their organization. So when you put all this information together and adding some logic like business logic, this user or this worker is not supposed to be here today while we get this registration or login registration through the card reader, and we have another log that someone tried to open a locked door. When you put all this together, the correlation here comes into action and can trigger a new event which will be of interest for this SOC guys who is doing the monitoring. So the ESM in brief collects normalize, aggregate, and filter millions of events and then triage them or prioritize them according to risk, vulnerabilities, and criticality. So the first task or feature of the ESM is the correlation, followed by monitoring. So we have many tools for monitoring, like we'll learn in the coming chapters and videos, the active channels and other tools for monitoring, dashboards, etc. Workflow, we have a workflow embedded into the ArcSight ESM to escalate events as needed according to the levels inside your organization. For example, you have level 1 acting as operators, you have level 2 acting as analysts, level 3 like authors. So the workflow facilitate the escalation through all these levels to make sure you have a real incident response inside your SOC team. Analysis, you have tools for analysis like active channels and drill downs in network tools for Bing and traceroute. Reporting is very powerful in ESM to make vital messages or vital pieces of information. You can summarize them and put into nice reports for the executives, for the different stakeholders inside your organization. So as we can see here in this section, it's nice section give a brief about how the ESM can give you or give your team's security team situational awareness inside the organization, and have the upper hand in monitoring and reporting and correlation and escalation level, follow the escalation levels inside your organization to have a real SOC and real incident response in all of this relies on the ArcSight ESM. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next video.